guys, Ali from Alta. How are you? Here in Ogden, Utah. It's end of what? Where are we? August? Yeah, end of August 2022, and hunting season is on. And we've been working on this. Dan and I have been working on this since like January, right? Like probably like going back and forth with different racks, different heights, trying to figure out how to do weight distribution. But we think we finally got it. Introducing the Chunky Monkey Triple Crown with 3 Bakcou bikes on it. So this is a sick rack. It's next level stuff going on here. We've been playing with this for a while. One of the things it does, it makes it easier to load these big, heavy, fat bikes. And we have the batteries on. That's why we carry them for testing. We do recommend that you take the batteries off when you modify these or when you carry these. Some of the features of this rack is a straight basket system with double strapping, full slider, still adjustable location, with a low bar kick out to the point where it changes the ergonomic and the way the physics of the carry is. We're talking about distribution of the weight across the rack and then lowering the center of gravity so it can carry these 3 bikes. These are giants of the bikes. They're meant for hunting, they're rugged, and they weigh around 80 pounds each. So we wanted to create a system that was realistic, still with the strapping system going to the door hinges or to the bumper. But we're pretty proud of this with the low kick out. And also, if you notice, we have a center carrier that's straight above and all. The top bar is so low that actually the bars miss each other that way. Worst case, you can also loosen the stem and spin that bar. But full clearance on these bikes, pretty sweet. What do you think, Dan?
It's awesome, man.
Yeah, man. We're pretty proud of this. We're gonna be producing these for Bakcou, and they'll be on our website. It's under the Chunky Monkey brand. Basically, this is the series that is gonna carry fat bikes, because fat bikes need racks too.